sure my audio's good first. Chat, test, chat. Okay. And yeah, so we're on good pace this year. 76 followers, not bad, not bad. Uh, I was working on some. I was using Claude actually. So Claude, I'm working on some stuff here, and where's my to-do list? Let me show my to-do list. Hold on. So here's my to-do list for today, and I was using Claude to mess with it, like to work on this, and I paid for Claude's one-time usage thing for 1 month. Issue I have with Claude though is that the usage goes by too fast, and I don't do anything. Like 11% used, and for some reason, like when I used it yesterday, I used it for like 40 minutes, and it was already like done, and I don't know why. Um, so I'm gonna use it again to finish up like these final things because obviously this is what it worked on, so I should use it to finish it. And I started getting the Spotify stats here, so I don't know. I need to like not use green because I don't, or maybe use a darker version of green because I don't like the green brightness. But these Spotify streams distribution by milestone does not make sense actually. Um, and then for YouTube stats for one of these, it like put yeah, the daily views summary should not have like a chart. I don't know what I put here. Something here needs to be separated. Or no, this daily stream summary. Like what is this for? So actually daily stream summary should work because I created a table called view tracker. Oh, wait, I need to I created a table called view tracker Spotify 2. So it should work. Um so yeah, so let me okay, hold on. Spotify daily stream summary. So I do want to do this. Why did this not update with the total views? I don't know. Oh, because I think I ran the script separately. I don't know. It's weird sometimes. Wait, no, that's not. Okay, yeah. I don't know. It's weird sometimes. I think this should have ran, but oh well. Um, yeah. So let me like last 30 days does not work properly. So we're going to use Claude to fix this and clean it up. Only reason I'm using AI for this is because it's so much easier for me to do. Because there's certain things I want to do this year that without AI I would never get to. So with AI, it will be able to allow me to do like start doing some of this stuff. Um, like the music shop. The music karaoke thing. Some other things that I have in my to do list, like um what I want to ensure the Spotify streams cron job works fine, and I ran it today against the 11 artists, and 10 it got 10 out of 11 artists done. It skipped Eminem, some issue with Eminem's page, but I'm gonna let it run for a week, see how consistent it is with updating every streams. If it's not that consistent, I am thinking I may need to these separate them into different clusters maybe, so that way it works. Um, but I also need to maybe see if there's any errors that it gets. For some reason, it's not logging anything, but that's whatever. Um, so yeah, I plan to do that at some point, probably next weekend if it's consistently failing. I am glad though that it just doesn't stop when it failed. It did go to the next artist, so that was good. I need to set up the music brackets site again, which I think Claude will basically be able to set it up for me. Music randomizer shop slash store connects with the Etsy store that I have up. Um, so I want to do something like that, and I will try and pay for like artwork to be done for the site for the art for the merch. But I do want to set up the store with the APIs and endpoints and stuff, and then the music randomizer quiz mobile app. So this and then music randomizer info. So a lot of this I probably won't start till next month until I can probably do music brackets at the end of this month as well as music randomizer info at the end of this month because the info would just be a basic page with listing all the things that music randomizer like privacy policy, cookie policy, all the applications we own, all the different things. I'll basically do like an info page like that. And then music brackets, I think I can sort of just put up like a basic page for it, get that up and going. Um, and then I did get a streamerstats.tv domain was available, so I bought that last night. Streamertools.tv and streamerstats.tv. So yeah, it like I think like owning both those domains would be interesting. I do want to sell those domains though. And then I need to also work on the mobile apps. I do want to have I sort of just want to finish it off to be honest. I don't know when. Probably like February. I think I'll finish those two mobile apps and then honestly, just leave them. Uh, I want to put enough content so that people can continuously play it and like have fun with it. But after that, I don't really want to do anything else. And seeing how Claude usage works, like anything I do with that mobile app, Claude will probably like it'll be used in 1 minute. So I don't want to waste that. Um, so yeah. So let's get started here. Otherwise, if I keep yapping, I'm not never gonna get any of this stuff done. So let's first we need to create a thing for this to for the thing here. So the way it works is you put it in here, and you sort of like you sort of like tell it what to do. So I need to create like a paragraph summary for this out of this to sort of like explain to it what to do. The stats, the time range, not looking as the date. Uh, Move certifications to additional stats. I did. That is there. I don't know why I didn't see it there. Let me refresh this maybe. Yeah, certifications is there, so I don't know why I wrote this down. this here, hover behavior. So that covers this. Done. Done. So let's change this into like fixes first. So for the charts, use more of the artist data and view tracker for YouTube. Yeah. Yeah, because stats by milestone. Oh, wait, no, yeah, because something. Yeah, so here. The daily view summary should be in the YouTube stats section. This and the Spotify one not need. Well, I guess it'll be fine. Yeah, this one does not need. This one does. This one does not need. Does not need total views in the data type. Total songs. Yeah. Or both. Yeah, so that covers. Yeah. The YouTube stats by milestone does not need a chart. The daily stream summary should use the data from and should be in the Spotify tab. So this would be there, and then use a darker version of green to match the dark theme styling. So let's do this. So that would cover this one. And then let's see it work in action. So I just paste this in and let it work. I'm gonna let it rock. Yada. Do it once, do it twice. And let's see how, bro, 14% usage already. Like this is crazy. 27% usage? Bro, I didn't even do anything. There's gotta be a bug. There's no way. I don't get it. Like I truly don't get it on what it's. Now it's at 32% usage. Like the whole point of this is to like be good. And it's a 5 hour like window, a 4.5 hour window. And it just immediately be like, I don't know, man. I don't get the usage tracking. Like, I understand, like, you're paying for the service, but at the same time, like, why does it immediately go there? %48 now. There's no way. So let me give it like this. I don't get it. Okay, this style of green is definitely better. It doesn't make sense. Like, it's already 54% usage. I don't understand it. It's truly broken. I've truly done more with let me rebuild this. I've done more in I don't know. I just feel like I've done more. 95 billion. Yeah, this should be the last 30 days. Yeah. I hit 97,000 and then now I'm at 103,000. So is that like 6,000 past 30 days? Pie chart looks so stupid. I should just tell it remove donut chart and pie chart. They're kind of pointless. Remove donut chart and pie chart. Alright, and then let me I'm gonna do this. So we're gonna ask it to do this. Let's see what the usage can be though. Playing from ZN iPhone. So yeah, like Claude is good, but like truly doesn't make sense. Higher output limits for all tasks, like definitely not paying $100 a month for this. Connect to GitHub. This is so this is what I've been wanting it to do. Like I don't get it, but like yeah, let's do this. Oh, and then I want to do the artist stats, but like how do you provide Claude code with like a screenshot? I don't know how to showcase this. Okay. Maybe I need to describe. I'm afraid of like. Okay, let me ask it to do this first, and then let me see what the usage is at. If the usage is high after this, then I will have to be forced to translate to uh, the ChatGPT one. Already jumped to 70%. It must have done some hard thinking. It's just so annoying. And the thing is, the usage, like, this is only one part of the usage here. It's the first part of the thing I asked it to do, and it jumped to 70% after 54. It didn't even get to the second bullet point that I asked it to do yet. Which is make it easy for user to search an artist. So we'll see if I could do it. It's like, don't get me wrong, it's good. Like the coding is good, but the usage is tracking is broken. Like when I think about it, at work, we use Claude, like a wrapper, Claude wrapper, and the usage for that, the usage of that is way better. Let me see what the usage is at now. 75%. Oh my goodness. Thing is, I can't be that mad, but at the same time, you pay money for something, right? Like I don't get it. Does it calculate the usage first? Like the overall usage first, and then because how ChatGPT does it with Codex is when you use it, you your usage isn't calculated until the end. Whereas with Claude, your usage appears to be like first set or defined, and then it tracks the usage as it goes on, which I think is a bit weird because, bro, it immediately jumped to 96%. What bullet point is it on now? I think the last one. Bro, I just can't at this point. I don't know what to do. I don't know what it's doing now. I've used it twice now. Weekly limit is 21%, but like the thing is, if you use Claude twice a day, you could hit 20% every day, and then 5 days you hit 100%. Your weekly limit's taken up. I guess that's the whole point of it. Right, I've hit my limit, but like, is this what it has to do? Hold on. Oh wait, shit. I have no choice for this one, but let me just try it. How? I literally just upgraded. How do you continue? Continue? I don't get it. Okay, I don't get it because like why is it doing this? Rate limit options. Do I need to like open a new session for it? I don't get it. I mean it's looking good. Oh, you can't see it. But like it probably doesn't have Sonnet. I don't know what Sonnet does. I don't know. Let me see what my limit's at. 4% now. Cool. But I canceled it because I don't want to pay another $100. I'm gonna only use it for this month. And then after it finishes, I'm gonna open up a new terminal node because this, I don't know what the fuck it's doing right now. Hold on. I think it was just eating up my usage, to be honest. Top song, favorite bitch. How? Wait, what? Okay. Top song, favorite bitch. Oh my gosh. Okay, but we needed to do something else here, so yeah. Okay, so we need to do this. The field. Okay. Okay. The artist stats, the, if I put like Eminem, top song. Yeah, artist stats here. Compare artists. Like if I put Eminem, oh yeah. Okay, like this, and then it's kind of hard to like. It's like when I searched this, it feels kind of hard to read. Let me see. Okay, hold on. I think it's my monitor because I can easily read it here. Yeah. And then compare artists like uh so if I put like Eminem and then 50 Cent. Hold on. Okay, hold on. In the compare artists, I want to do like in the tabs, do a different. No, in the compare artists in the tabs. Okay, okay, I'm asking too much, but I want to do this. Where's my mouse? I want to do this, like this, but then I also want to do add a new tab for comparing release dates in this tab. How do I want to do in this tab? Well, I can't do that because not all release dates are the same. Like I do like January 1st, for example. I like uh okay, and then I still need this one. But okay, hold on. Shit. Hold on. Fuck. Okay, I didn't show anything, thank God. That would have been annoying. So like I wanted to yeah, these are new achievements, total albums listened to. This one I'm gonna use the Claude for. This so use Claude. This one check manually. And then automate notifications. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, to be honest. Daily song tracking. I can do this. I just need to not be lazy. Add a karaoke layout. I can do this. Um, but let's then various backgrounds. This one let's do in the future. So like Monday. Oh, music tier list needs site notifications. This one I can do. Yeah, I mean this one would be easy to do, and then because I have the music tier list thing, so I could just do notifications from that, and call from there. So let me ask it to do this. So like this, and then yeah, the thing is the albums though, I think how do I want to do this? Because I want to also mention like with uh like deluxe and stuff. With the total albums. Well, I guess it's fine because I don't know how you describe it differently because sometimes the album. Let me just ask it to do this. How do I open this thing again? Claude. Oh, so okay, hold on. I open up terminal and I write Claude code, and it transforms into it. And then I do this. IDE disconnected. Oh, here. Yeah. Let me ask it to do this. Let me see what the usage jumps to, skyrockets, you know? It's at 5% now. Six. Oh shit, hold on. Let's see how well it does. Thank you. Like Claude is very good. It's just the you don't get a lot of usage out of it. But you know, if the $100 a month really does come down to being good, I will need to get some other stream avenue. Like I will need to get some other avenue of getting money. My mouse died. Yeah, the current session. Thing is, it doesn't know what to dos. I just feel like the $100 a month gives it better, but it's so weird. But I'm definitely gonna be disconnecting it from my code. I need to also disconnect. I think this is gonna be an issue with code, is that at some point they're gonna say who wrote the code, where's the ownership and stuff. So yeah, I truly think that's gonna be an issue in the future. Is ownership of code is gonna be interesting with AI, because if AI writes a majority of your code, then who's getting the money, you know? Of course, after you pay, and this is the issue, you pay for the AI tool, and then you let it create what you need it to do, And then after that, you you either make more money from the tool you built, or like you lose money. But if most people use the coding tools to make money, obviously. So we'll see. I just wonder how this would be good for. Now I'll test it. So that's a good test. So this test, like for my website, this is a good test to do on how Cloud Code performs on like React JS or TypeScript, and then using it on the Android Studio, it'll be a good test to see how well it performs in a different code environment there. That is one thing that I wonder how well it will uh, perform. Like, how do they do tests like that in different like environments? Like, how do you write test files for like checking Python, checking C assembly? Like, you have to. How do you write automation tests for things like that? I don't know. But with this, it's already at 9% usage, but the usage tracking is. Yeah. What does the bar chart look like on. Oh, it's refreshed. Yeah. So wait, if it's on that step, then it's gonna be on the most expensive step. But like, look at this. It's been running for 5 minutes and my usage isn't 100%. And this is only 5 times usage. Choose 5 times or 20 times more usage. Yeah, more like 5 times or 20 times more usage on the price. But the all models is 1% used. So like the realistically on this 4.5 timer, I could use this 3 times a day and be very good at what I need to do. So I think it's all based on the prompt you give it too. But I definitely want the YouTube stats. The YouTube stats definitely need like the graph image. Total songs? What the fuck? Yeah. I mean, I guess today's more of just like, AI usage day. it done? Alright, it says it was done. Let me restart the script and then see how well it is. The YouTube favorite song or top song on YouTube for some reason. Okay, I don't know how it's calculating this, but no, I want okay. What is this? Oh. Alright. So I think it did what I wanted it to do, but at the same time it didn't. So let me tell it to then create a table of all the artists using the table that I have in View Tracker. So let me write this down. Hold on. Oh, they should have updated now with the new artists I added. Yeah, total songs. Wait, update yesterday is not updating properly. Oh, wait, unless update yesterday. What would the cron job be? What time? Cause I'm pretty sure I put Fireball Ministry on the site. Let me see it. Ministry. Yeah. Update yesterday. Why would this not work, this script? Yeah, I don't know. It should have ran. Let me check some other ones. That one ran. This one should have ran. Unless, did I add the songs yesterday in the morning? And then maybe I don't know. But either way, okay. I want. Alright, let me see if I can do this. Wait. Alright. Let's see if it knows what to do. See, it counts it differently. Yeah, it tracks it differently. It completely tracks it differently. That's so weird. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, because like I'm at 15% usage and I've not I should have told it to do pagination. Oh, it's done. Okay. Few things then. Oh wait, maybe I need to rerun or rebuild the failed to fetch. Unknown column total views. Oh, that's my fault. I need it's okay. Oh wait, maybe because oh my gosh, hold on. I don't think it's mapping it. Spotify stats. All right, let's get it updated. Let's see, because I've been wanting to do this for a while, like add this data back in, but we'll see. X's algorithm was rebuilt from scratch. Yeah, what the heck? Oh wait. Okay, maybe. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Anti-scraping protection. Change the font. Oh my god. Do do do. Maybe I should have saved some of this. Alright, and then before I merge this in, I'm gonna read the code so I understand what it's doing. Because I don't want my code, my site code, to be majority of like AI code that I'm just like I don't know what it is. Like if I understand the code, then that's different. But like if I don't and I just use AI to write it, then then I have an issue. Okay, I understand this. I need to move this still. There's some minor things that I didn't ask it to do, but claims it was done. Yeah, thing is, okay, I don't know why total views is red. Average total songs. Average. Oh, I should make it so it's tabable. Like, make the table look nicer too. 100% width, and then maybe I can do. I'm trying to think. Maybe what would I do filter options for? Right? Filter options, right? Spotify stats. I don't track song stats. If I once I start tracking song stats, okay. Yo, get the fuck out of here, bro. And then stats by milestone. Yeah, artist stats. Like, I still don't know why this doesn't like work. Didn't I tell it that it was not accurate? Like, top songs to who? Top song to what though? Like the top song here is like Love the Way You Lie. Alright, let me ask it to do this first and then alright, hold on. Let me save this and then yeah. Golf Wang. Golf Wang. Wait, I've seen this YouTuber before. Easter egg. Dog, what? I didn't ask it to do this. Okay. We're gonna have to ask it to fix things, but oh shit. Why would it remove alert? Okay, I'm gonna fix this myself. No, for last week it should count it. Man. Okay, it claims it was done. Alright, let me fix things myself now. So I need to fix hover tip. And this is inside of artist view tracker, right? Oh my gosh, it doesn't add any IDs or anything. How can I read anything? what is this? I don't need this. Wait, oh, this is pluribus. I thought this was severance. I don't need Easter eggs. Alright, I should ask it to go through and add IDs. That's fine. Stats are based. Don't need this at all. Oh, I do want. Okay, hold on. There we go. And then what else do I need to do? This. Length, but this should be like number, right? Uh, what's it called? Format number here. Where is it? Where did it go? There we go. And I think same with the pagination. Uh, why is it not? Okay, that's kind of stupid. Yeah, this needs to change here. There. And then we need to fix this link here. This one I don't want to do right now today. Artist stats search. Spotify, YouTube. Where's the artist link? Here. Okay. But if the link is supposed to be there, then how come when I go in the artist link, prop, page artist, artist name. I need to go to artist link. Something about this doesn't make sense. So if it displays link, artist name, oh, where did my thing go? It should, unless, did it change this? No, it should work. But the hover, why does the hover not work? I don't know. Because when I hover over it, it shows a whole different thing there. That's so weird. Albums, 16. That's kind of not albums, but projects, I would say. But when I search an artist, it needs to be like a single search though. So uh for both YouTube and Spotify. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then maybe wait, average streams, average release update gap. Let's see, what can I do? I think in the songs, do I have a entry for like the time length? I do. I don't know if it works. Let me double check. It does work. All right, let's do this. Let's see how well it works. Like the $100 a month is actually worth it, but it's only worth it if it's like you usable, you know? And that's the issue is it's if it's usable then it's good, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Let me yeah, it's completely a scam. This one jumped to 28%. That's odd. Did it finish? Right, and I told it to do 100% width. I don't know why it doesn't want to keep consistent width here. Yeah, last week should definitely contain the plus. I need to check that. The thing is, I don't keep a weekly status of like the average gain. Because if the gain from last week is it higher than this week, then I don't track that, which is what I think most people would want. Because the thing is, it's always going to be higher. But yesterday can't be a gain. Can't contain the gain because there is no day before, you know? So I need to fix that. I did see that code somewhere. Hold on. Let me check something. No one checked on Mian Mian. We forgot to check on Mian Mian.
What happened to him?
He meowing. He's been in there for a while.
He's meowing?
Yeah. And he spilled the shampoo, so it's dirty on the
Oh,
floor.
does he want to go out too?
Well, no, we never checked up on him.
Oh.
Yeah, he's hungry and thirsty. Need to clean up the spill.
Wow.
Poor Mian Mian. How's it going?
Good.
You done?
Maybe 10 more minutes.
Cool. You printed it?
Let's check the detail.
So good.
I'm gonna make that money.
Make that money.
I'm gonna make that money. I'm gonna make that.
Cool. Money, money, money. Oh wait, hold on. I needed to restart the thing. So now origin. Get origin. Oh, it's not origin, it's location region. Hold on, the wrong one. Album.map is not a function. Uh-huh. And get requests. Wait, select album type from all albums. Wait, ID Album art. Okay, I don't want album art, but quest. What's up, Mian Mian? Mian Mian, what's up? I don't know why I grabbed a new water. I have a whole. Yeah, I plan to stream until I use up all the session. Meow. I am now a prompt engineer. Alright, let me check this now. Release date. And selection from songs. Uh-huh. Yeah, and before YouTube's like, nah, you can't do this. I'm gonna be like, alright, bet. Still did not do this. After this, I need to download the songs. If I could use this tool, Claude, to build a better scraper, maybe I will. Like, I'm already at all models 3% usage. Like, I don't know. I think about it. All that I want to do can be probably easily done. Cannot read properties of undefined artists. Oh shit, hold on. Okay. The M&M show. What? Shouldn't I should have streams? Mian Mian, stop, please. Meow. Okay, we'll fix that after 500 million. Hold on, let me check that real quick. Stream count is big int, but in songs we use. I see why. Alright, hold on. And now I know why it got favorite songs wrong. Do 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 do. Huh? What? The brightness weird for me. Hold on. I need to restart YouTube. There it goes. Brightness was a bit weird. Yeah. Yeah, 33% usage is so much better. But do 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 do. Oh, and then I needed to like in the like artist comparison and projects thing. I needed to like. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Okay, so it seems like the average views and streams are not working. So like this. So okay, hold on. Uh, I need to see like what it did to like ensure that like you can't web scrape my site. Yeah. Do 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 do. Yeah, redirects the. Alright, let me tell it to do this before I tell it to do other things. Because there are things that I wanted to do, but like. And it didn't do what I told it to do. Like, I asked it to do like total count of songs over whatever X million as a list. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, and then Alright, hold on. Change the word. And then I wanted to do the mapping. So the M&M showing like this may not map properly due to the fact that of the deluxe, of the special. So mapping. It may include the special. And then I needed to know what that is. Oh, there it is. So that works. Oh wait, I need to rerun this. Average song length probably not working because of this. Yeah, hold on. Of each project. Oh, the proof. Oh my gosh. 50 Cent. He's definitely got more to 50 Cent, no? Okay. Hold on. Yeah. Live from. Yeah, and then. $30X. Okay, hold on. So wait, readable. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You want to see what I'm doing? Damn. 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 Do 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 do. Do 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 do. What else I'm gonna do? I want to have this like a. So I need to add the mapping. So, but I want to have like. Could be like. Okay, yeah. However they want. And then it's not calculating. So it needs the mapping still. Oh no, no, no. And then URL tab. So then. I still don't like the red. Like. The green's okay. I still. Okay. It must still be this. Like, I just think the font is hard to read. Projects over label. Why would it just add this without adding the label? But that's fine. That's fine. Damn, 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 damn. Oh my god, this font just looks bad. It just looks bad. It just looks bad. Alright, let's see if it works. Okay, the average song length worked fine. No, but why did it exclude? Huh. Why did it exclude like features? Okay, hold on. Yeah, 50 Cent definitely on hella songs together. Alright, hold on. Let me ask it to fix this. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do, do, do. Yeah, release gap's not working for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why. Let me see if I can figure out why. I don't know why. Release gap. Year released. Huh. Huh, 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 huh. Oh shit. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna end my stream. I'm gonna continue working on this though.